Hey, welcome back to another My Two Good Hands video. Today we're replacing this toggle switch with a rocker switch. Here's the difference. This one has a switch behind me around the corner. And it's got another one in the kitchen so you can turn the hall lights on. So we have to put in a switch. When you buy these, make sure you buy these. A four-way switch. You can see 3 switches and a light. That's what we're going to do. So again, safety first. Make sure you get yourself one of these so you can check for power. We're going to go down in the basement, turn off the breaker, and come back up and check this, and then we'll show you how these are wired. So we're back. Lights are off. When you get this out, don't touch these connectors till you check them. Make sure you got no power here. No power. The other thing you want to look at, you can see the on and the off on this. Note that the oranges are up, the purples are down, so we have to wire our new switch the same way. You'll know the new switch is correct when you have the same amount of wire connectors. The other thing is you need to know what the top is. You'll find that maybe there's a name on the switch, maybe there's a name on the plate. So this is the top this way. So what we're going to do is we're going to take loose the 2 on the top, which are orange, and we're going to put them on the top of this other switch. Now you'll want to make sure the wires are still twisted together well and have that hook on them so that they go around the other switch. Again, look at your switch, find the upside. It looks like these are screwed in, so you have to unscrew them. For some reason, these switches are not, backed off. There they are, that's backed off. Well, they're backed off, I see they're backed off, but they have a snugness to them. Make sure we're on the top. When you put this around there, make sure it's wrapped in the clockwise direction. And then come do the same on the other side. Make sure your wire's got that nice hook on it. Again, make sure it's in the clockwise direction. And kind of come in with your screwdriver and push that in there if you have to. Get that on there. Tighten it good. and move on. We're going to take the bottom ones off, which in our case here are purple. You have to make sure you get these back on. Again, put them in the clockwise direction. And if you have to, use your screwdriver to push down. The other one. Tuck your wire around again. Hey, once you have those snugged up, tuck your wires back in the hole here. Make sure we get the right side up. There's a screwdriver. Now we're just going to start the screws a little bit because we do have those screwless wall plates to put on. We need to leave this loose. Now there, we're in. Now we're going to go down, turn the lights back on. Now when you turn the switch on, lights, turn the switch off, you double check, go to another switch and do it. By doing them one at a time, if you have a problem, you know which one you got to go back and work on. Now we got to put the cover on. The plate will tell you what side needs to be out. Get one screw started a little. Go down and get the other one. I always start the top one because I can look in at the bottom one. And snug these up. Don't need to over tighten them. Now go back and tighten your switch. And when you read on the back side of your cover, it says up. The upside goes here and hooks. And then you come down here and push that. And you're done. Our switch is installed and we are good to go. Don't forget, like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Amazon links below to shop. We greatly appreciate the support. We will catch you in the next video.